Everyday carry tools enhance our efficiency through their compact design and remarkable utility. Though quality EDC accessories frequently come with hefty price tags that cause purchasing hesitation. However, these budget-friendly options break that pattern. In this presentation, we'll highlight several impressive everyday carry gadgets available for less than $20. Take a look. This is the Lever Gear Tool Card Pro, a credit card-sized multi-tool to quick fix your everyday issues. We understand that one may require more functionality than the SOG's one, and the Tool Card Pro seems to meet that criteria pretty well. Despite its smaller size, 40 different tools have been integrated, which makes it more practical to accomplish more than 100 kinds of usage. But what makes it even better is its snap-on money clip option, which can hold up to 6 credit cards and some dollar bills with tons of customizability, versatility, and obviously functionality. Everything comes in a pack with this Lever Gear Tool Card Pro. 8. Finally, here's the Exotac Fire Sleeve, a cover for your lighter to make it more capable for different scenarios. Knives are versatile for everything. But will you carry this knife for your simple box cutting tasks? So here's the Dapper 150, a small yet functional solution for Keysmart for your everyday cutting chores. First thing anyone will notice is its compact and minimal outlook, which doesn't only look appealing, but damn practical for carrying conveniently. Its blade is made from 420 stainless steel, which does its job pretty nicely, but its proper finish makes it so shiny and eye-catching. A smooth and straightforward pivot mechanism makes it snappy, while a thumb hole is present to open it more conveniently. And grip, well, it has a smartly shaped aluminum handle, and we don't think anyone will require more than that for such uses. Okay, a keychain multi-tool is quite common among EDC lovers. Everyone knows that, but this SOG PopGrip multi-tool takes that practicality to another level. Collaborating with a brand like Pop Sockets, SOG integrates an innovative and multi-purpose tool right into your smartphone's PopGrip, having only 1 ounce of feather-like weight. This multi-tool won't make that phone hefty, while its black finish looks minimal and classic for everyday carry. And besides all the usual Pop Socket benefits like providing a better grip or a basic stand for that iPhone, its multi-tool can be practical for essentially everyday chores. For instance, bottle opening, small prying tasks, or even as a screwdriver. And because of his twist mag latching system, this multi-tool can be attached to the smartphone without any extra hassles. Here's the cable kit, an intelligent, budget-friendly, and efficient solution from Lever Gear to charge that smartphone or any kind of data transfer. Now, unlike most others in the market, Cable Kit is a minimal one that can be easily carried with a keychain. Oh, don't carry a bulky keychain? No worries, as it also includes a deep carry pocket clip as an alternative. Users can easily juice up any gadget they want from an iPhone to an Android phone using the small EDC gear. And that's only a part of it, as this one features an extra SIM slot to carry an extra SIM, a SIM tray ejector pen, and an SD card slot for emergency storage need. We don't think such a tiny device needs any more features to clog. Saber Mighty Discreet is just what its name explains, a compact yet strong pepper spray to defend yourself during an unexpected situation. But let's face it, we all know how unpredictable our everyday life can be and how criminal activity like assault and muggings are increasing. So carrying pepper spray or any other defensive tool on a daily basis has become a necessity these days. Mighty Discreet is about 4% smaller than any other traditional pepper sprays and weighs only 2 ounces. As a result, users can easily carry this one around and stay prepared for anything. At birth, it is up to 16 bursts of pepper spray, which is absolutely commendable for its size, while its powerful stream spray pattern ensures the attacker gets immobilized correctly. And as they're allowed to carry in all 50 states, users won't have to worry about legal issues. Okay, let's be honest. How many times have your lighter got wasted because of unexpected falls or from getting drowned? Yeah, we can relate. So carrying a protective cover for such an essential tool is obviously reasonable. In addition, this one creates a waterproof barrier to keep the lighter from spoiling. As a result, users won't have to worry about such incidents anymore. And if anyone's wondering if it would drown underwater, let us tell you how the cover makes it float so that you don't lose it anymore. As EDC lovers, most of us carry a Swiss Army knife in our pocket, and more or less everyone has faced issues like this. But not with this clip and carry SwisslinQ, a convenient EDC gear on a budget to safely hold that Swiss Army knife. Patent-pending design on this gadget lets users quickly attach and detach, so these keys don't come in your way while using. Durable build material ensures its proper build quality for rough uses, and as the SwisslinQ supports most smaller Swiss Army knives like Classic, Jet Setter, and Rally, users won't have to worry about its compatibility. So forget about tangling keys with this clip and carry SwisslinQ. Next on our list, we have this Nano torch, another small yet practical EDC gadget from Keysmart. Now, we know we've shown you many other keychain flashlights before, but Keysmart claims that this one is the most powerful in terms of size to performance ratio, of course. 20 lumens of brightness isn't very much, depending on other scenarios. Still, for everyday usage, at least it's better to have some illumination rather than being stranded in the dark situation, right? Furthermore, minimal design of this flashlight looks excellent for its stainless steel build, making it extremely durable and rust-proof for longer runs. So that was our list of some coolest EDC gadgets you can get under $20.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.